Another great way to give feedback is by using stickers. In order to use a sticker, you need to navigate to a student's page and then click Add Sticker. You can see I've added lots of different ones for me, including Bitmojis of myself, but you can also add new stickers. You can add images that we have in our bank, or you can import a custom image or a GIF or GIF as well. You can have the sticker put points onto their slide if you want to give extra credit. So for example, I have this sticker that says super, have a +1 on it. So now this student has earned 7 out of 6 points. I like to use ones like this that had 0 points attached to them to just tell students that I approved of their page, especially if I had auto grading off because I didn't want them to be able to guess and check to see if their answers were right. I would use a Bitmoji with 0 points added to let them know if they got it right. I would also use ones like this that said to check your work if I wanted them to go back and look at a certain problem. Like I said, you can also use GIFs or GIFs to spice up your feedback. You can also give students stickers from this mode instead of clicking on their individual page. You can just click stickers and then you can use your sticker from here and it will show up in the top right corner of any of these students' pages that you click on.